Yeah.
Okay.
So I have no idea what's going on.
Do you have a laptop with you? Do you use your phone or laptop to,
I'm using I'm using my phone at this moment. I don't have my laptop with me.
how about when you're at home, when you access it, do you use your,
Yes, I do use the laptop. It's the same thing.
so let's try that.
Same.
Do you know your password or should I reset it?
Yeah. Yeah. I would. Yeah. Also reset it because I was trying to do the reset on the password too, because I was trying to like log out and then log back in, and then when I try to change the password, it kicks me out.
Hmm.
It's like
So let's try
I'm not
it.
going
See my screen?
going. Yes, I see the screen right now.
So what's your password? Oh, let me, I just reset it. I'll force reset it. Change
Yeah.
password. Let's change it to secret again. Okay. So we're logged in.
Okay. Yes.
And then let's go to your course. You said your videos won't work.
Yes.
Let's see if it works.
No.
Let's go
Okay.
click on the video. And then the video works. It's saved it.
But that's not how it shows up on my computer.
We actually updated the portal. This was updated yesterday, 2 days ago, or yesterday.
Yeah. So I hit course, and you see how you use the screen that you see now with all those round circles. That's not how mine comes up.
This one was
It doesn't.
updated yesterday. This was a new
Okay.
update yesterday.
So it usually has it was organized different. So you're saying this is a new thing. No, because it wasn't looking like this, as you said.
Yeah, this
So
was updated
hopefully,
yesterday.
okay.
So it's
But
still
yeah,
same email, jefferson3684@hotmail.com. And I just changed
yes.
the password to secret.
Okay.
And I think you can change
Well,
your password when you want. But let's try change it. Let's say 1234, 1234, update.
mm-hmm.
And now let's put in your email, Jefferson. And let's put in the
Mm-hmm.
password 1234, log in.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, it doesn't work when you change the password.
See, yeah, that's what's one other thing.
What happens when you check your email? Do you have anything in your email that says you change your password now? Check your email.
So you're saying you want me to give you a different email? That's what you're saying?
No, I want you to check your email
To see if something is missing from there.
to see if you just received an email because we changed your password to 1234.
Just give me a second. Let me see. Email. Sorry, I don't have my computer, but yeah, it doesn't say.
You didn't receive any new email?
No, it doesn't say my email. No.
Okay,
All right,
how?
let me try to go to the course right now. Just, to see if it comes up on my phone. Um,
It's not going to work. So let me try
is it,
change your password, change it back to secret.
yeah.
Then I'm going to use secret. Now it's working. So I'm going to message
Mm.
my team member to see why when you change your password, it doesn't work.
Yeah,
But for now,
that's what
just
I'm saying.
right now, don't change your password.
Because that's what I was trying to do. I see if, like to refresh the system. I said, let me change it. That's the only thing I could come up with because I keep
Try login to
logging in.
try login now, Carter.
Okay. Let me go back. Let me go here and then go here. Search. Where do I go? And let me try now. Okay. Okay, so I go in. And I said I hit course. Hold on. Course chat. It says course chat. That's not it. From here, I don't, I can't share my screen. But from what I'm seeing right here, it says, I'm just seeing announcement and then your name, and then further down it says daily earns. I see a kind of earnings. That's a kind of table, and then it move on and says ranks, and the people
There
who
should
are
be,
in the ranks.
let's see, view page source. Inspect. You need to click the triple lines at the top, and it'll give you a drop down for my course.
Let me see. Triple R's. Dashboard. I went to instructor. I just go to dashboard. Nope.
You scroll to the top and you click the triple lines. They say home, my course, and frequently asked questions. At the very
Okay,
top
my
above.
course.
Yeah.
I saw that. It
Click
says
on my
my course,
course.
and then I see, I hate that, but there's a blank page right there.
You have to
Let me.
click the triple lines again to close the drop down to see break the cycle experience.
Okay. And it says break the cycle experience, instructor Andy. That's what comes up. So I don't know.
And then click on it.
Okay. Okay. And it says zero course. Okay. Let me see something now. Got it.
This covers the thing. Adrian, can you make sure that when a student goes to a new page or clicks on my course or home, this drop down disappears after clicking onto something. It disappears like that. So I'll get that.
Okay. It comes up now. It comes up.
And it'll look better on your laptop as well.
I didn't hear you. Say that again.
It'll look
So
better.
this is the welcome. This is the welcome video. I have watched this, and then after that, I wasn't getting anything. So
To submit the milestone to unlock the next section. Submit milestone.
must Say that again.
You have to submit milestone to unlock week 1.
Okay, submit master. Okay, so mm, 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 mm. So welcome video. Yeah, I'm sorry, I have this small, my phone is I don't see what you're talking about.
Look at my
So
screen.
after I watch this video, you said I have to do what from here?
You should go back to Zoom and look at my screen.
Okay. Okay.
Bring your phone
So this,
sideways. Put your phone sideways because you'll get a better view.
oh no, okay. Is it the same?
This is your log,
Okay. Yes.
so you can watch the videos,
Yes.
and then if you want to unlock all this content, you have to submit
Yes.
milestone. Are you ready to get started? So let's say you want me to submit it for you.
Okay. Yes.
So if you click submit, the next section will
Yes.
unlock. And now the next section will
Oh.
unlock.
Oh, it's green. I can see that.
Exactly. Any questions,
Oh.
Carter, before I let you go so I can go to my next meeting? Any other questions I can help you with?
Well, not at this moment.